There have been plenty of reports, including our own exclusive, indicating that Samsung is bringing the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 to market earlier than expected, and it seems that also means the leaks could start pouring in at a higher frequency going forward. To kick things off, high-quality Galaxy Z Fold 5 renders have been published online by the folks over at SmartPreview to, well, confirm how a design change is not on the cards this year. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. As you can see from the images, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 more or less looks the same as the Z Fold 4. Again, that doesn't come as news. Samsung is rumored to bring a design refresh with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in 2024, but we're too far out to be putting much stock on those rumors when Samsung hasn't yet launched this year's model. Samsung's decision to stick to a similar design for the Z Fold 5 as last year's model could be due to the company's efforts to reduce costs, which is particularly important at present. Interestingly, the Z Fold 5 doesn't appear to have individual camera rings on the back, a design feature that Samsung has incorporated into most of its phones this year, including the Galaxy S23 series. This may suggest that Samsung is aware that the Galaxy Z Folds have not been significant sellers, and is opting to release a new device with the same design while saving significant changes for a later time. Although Samsung may be sticking to a similar design for the Z Fold 5, there will still be some notable changes. According to rumors, the device will feature a water drop style hinge mechanism that will enable it to close without any gaps between the two halves. This design feature will reduce the likelihood of accidental damage to the plastic folding screen, resulting in a slightly thinner body when the device is folded. However, it is uncertain whether this reduced thickness will benefit everyday use or the device's durability. Even if the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has no, or not enough, fancy upgrades or features, the usual year-on-year spec upgrades it will get should make it a compelling device. The most interesting spec bump would be to the processor. The Z Fold 5 will be powered by Qualcomm's Samsung-exclusive Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset, which will likely bring noticeable performance and power efficiency enhancements over previous Z Fold models. As for returning features, S Pen support and IPX7 water resistance deserve a mention, as they elevate Samsung's foldable phones above what the competition is offering, even if they can't match some of the competing devices spec to spec. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.